Don't get this twisted. I believe that you have to have the capacity, you gotta have the capacity to dream. And I talk about a lot of people out here selling hope. They got hope for sale. So when I talk about people selling hope and I talk about my perspective of hope or my definition of hope, hope to me, like, I gotta have hope. I always been a person that had hope, hoping for a better life, hoping for a bigger home, hoping for a nicer car, hoping for a bigger bank account. It all go hand in hand. The things that you visualize in your head, whether it's living in a nice home, whether it's driving a nice car, whether it's positioning your kids, putting them in a position where they really ain't got to lean on nobody. How do I bring it to life? How do I bring my dreams to reality? How do I turn my hope into reality? And I don't sugarcoat anything. Like, my life is real. And I know a lot of people, I know a lot of you guys find yourself on social media, specifically Instagram, looking at snapshots of this life that a lot of people portray, and they have you daydreaming about their lives that may or may not be real. You can imagine things all day long. You can have the biggest imagination in the world. It's just like hope. It's just like dreams. If you don't know how to execute, it'll always be an imagination, it'll always be an idea, it'll always be a dream, and it'll always be something that you hope for that never came true.